My name is Dr. P.C.Patel, working as a guest faculty, College of Agriculture, Paruni City, and also working as a chief soil health specialist, Mati Agro Mart Private Limited, Bhavnagar, and I am residing at Anand, Gujarat. My name is Dr. P.C.Patel. I am working as a guest faculty, College of Agriculture, Paruni City, and also working as a chief soil health specialist, Mati Agro Mart Limited, Bhavnagar. I am residing at Anand. So at present, I am in soil chemistry department. So you can see a different scientific instrument for carried out the soil analysis and for the estimation of the nutrient from the soil as well as plant. So today I am talking about the soil pH and electric conductivity. So soil pH, you know that activity of the potential hydrogen ion, and it range from 1 to 14, and the soil pH 6.5 to 7.5 is desirable soil pH, and at that range the majority of the plant nutrients, major, secondary and micronutrients are available to the plants. And when the soil pH is increased from greater than 7.5, then soil to be said to be saline alkaline soil, and the soil pH of the alkaline soil is greater than 8.5, and in saline soil the electric conductivity is greater than 4 millimoles per centimeter or decisiemens per meter. If we are not taking the care of the saline soil, then it converted into sodic soil or alkaline soil, and alkaline soil have a soil pH 8.5 or greater than 8.5 up to 10, and you know that in alkali sodic soil there is a waterlogged condition, dispersion of the soil particles, and plant growth will hamper, and you will find the hard pan on the soil surface due to deposition of the sodium clay particles. And you know that if you want to reclaim this sodic or alkaline soil, then gypsum is useful. But before application of the gypsum, we should have to look the drainage facility of the soil. Otherwise, there is no need to, your soil will not reclaim with the help of the gypsum, because you know that sodic soil have the sodium clay particle, and when you are adding gypsum, calcium sulfate, then calcium replace the sodium, but sodium sulfate form, so you should have to lift down or remove from the root zone. So drainage is very important. So if the drainage is very poor in alkali soil or sodic soil, then you should have to grow the soil resistant crops like cotton, then barley, then sorghum, then rice, then castor, then pomegranate, and so on. Similarly, in heavy rainfall area, there is a problem of the acidic soil, because due to heavy rainfall area, the basic material has been washed out due to heavy rainfall, and dominant minerals, dominant nutrients are aluminium, iron and manganese, and basic material has been washed out due to heavy rainfall. So for the reclamation of the acidic soil, we should have to apply lime. Here also the drainage is very important. You can find this saline alkaline soil in arid and semi-arid regions like Rajasthan, some part of Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, Kutch area. So, for reclamation of the soil, I told that gypsum is very important, but another, you have to add more organic matter in the form of manure, castor cake, green manuring. You can grow the dencha for green manuring. In normal soil, you can select this sunam, but for problematic soil, you have to select dencha. So you can grow the dencha, and you can also grow the lucerne. You know that in Kutch area, the farmers are growing the lucerne, and lucerne is a salt resistant crop. And by growing the lucerne for seasonal as well as perennial, after that you can grow the normal crop, then you will get the higher crop production. So in this way we can reclaim the soil, but for that we have to apply the judicious use of irrigation water, because you know that irrigation water is also not good in saline or sodic soil area. So for that we have to use drip irrigation method or sprinkler method, and we have to apply limited irrigation water. And suppose you take the cotton crop or other crop, then you should have to apply the water through the alternate furrow system, because your water quality is saline type. So, and if possible, if you have the good source of the water nearby the river or canal, then you can also apply through the mixing, because when you mixing the soil with the water, saline water with the good water, then the salinity of the water is also decreasing, and we are getting the higher crop production. But how you can know your soil is saline, alkaline or acidic soil? So for that we should have to carry out the soil analysis, and we should have to measure the soil pH, then electric conductivity, then organic carbon, and other major nutrient nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, secondary nutrient calcium, magnesium, sulfur, and the micronutrient zinc, iron, copper, boron, molybdenum, cobalt, etc. Then we should have to also measure the sodium content, then calcium carbonate content in the soil. So we can know that what our soil has the problem, and by diagnosis the problem of the soil, we can take the immediate step for the improvement of the problematic soil, and we can increase the crop production. So if you have any problem related to problematic soil, either saline soil, alkaline soil or acid soil, then you can ask me. My name is Dr. P.C.Patel. My email is patelpc1212@gmail.com. So thank you very much.